Barney and Baby Bob follow that cat. Whiskers the cat is leading a chase. Let's follow her now to a happy place. Whiskers climbs steps 1, 2, 3. Wait, laughs Baby Bob. Wait for me. Follow that cat. Now what do Barney and Baby Bob find? A room filled with toys of every kind. Barney says, "Where is our furry friend?" She's hiding, but soon she'll be running again. Follow that cat. Whisker says, "Meow, meow." She's leading her friends through the attic now. Baby Bob looks both high and low. Where, oh where did Whiskers go? Follow that cat. Barney peeks out and what does he see? Whiskers has scampered across the tree. Baby Bob calls Whiskers' name. Come down and play. I like your game. Follow that cat. Baby Bob scares a bug in the garden. Oops, she says. I beg your pardon. Barney chuckles when Whiskers run past. He says, that cat is really fast. Follow that cat. Whiskers comes running through the door and jumps in her basket on the floor. Barney and Baby Bob come right behind. What does Whiskers want them to find? Follow that cat. Barney takes off the basket's top. Look at the kittens, laughs Baby Bob. Barney and Baby Bob both give a cheer. Thank you, Whiskers, for bringing us here. The end. Thanks for listening. Please be sure to like and subscribe below.